So guys, it's kind of the end of the day's work now. You seem to have most of the leaves made. These are the leaves I'm looking at now. So there's 10 of them in this stack. Yeah. And so this is the cap piece then sitting beside them. And so what's the next stage in the whole process?
Well, we're going to assemble a flat pack first. So the cap plate goes in the middle, and then we attach it using the seat belts.
Okay.
The cap plate.
And then there's another piece of plywood going on top then to screw these in place? Okay, so this is the piece of plywood. Okay.
And then when we have it all flat packed, we'll set up electric hoist into the girder and attach it onto this.
Okay, so this will be attached right up at ceiling level, and then there's an electric hoist to lift the whole thing into place.
Yeah.
And there's no glue used in this process, is there? No resins?
Just screw and plywood hose plastic onto it.
So it's all dry mechanical fixings?
Yeah. We're lifting it. The load will be on this here hook. That hook could take 2,000 kilograms, so it's plenty strong enough.
Okay.
Take the load. The beam can take one ton.
And what's the advantage in using dry fixings only and no glue?
You're not waiting for glue to set and manufacturing for so it's quicker.
Okay.
And when you're taking it apart, it's when you're
so you can actually take it apart. Okay. And so the next stage then basically is to get these two leaves finished. Then they're work in progress at the minute.
Yeah.
Is that right?
Assemble it on the ground and lift it up and attach the cables to the stamp spread. And then when we do that, it's really self-supporting and we can just load it then.
Okay. Yeah. So you're still unsure as to how well the cables are going to work. Is that right? Okay. So that's still a work in progress itself.
We might need to change the cables.
Okay. And is there any specific type of cables that you think you might use, or what diameter?
More flexible ones, maybe
like a steel rope type thing, is it? Okay. That's all right. And then how are you going to load it up whenever it's put into place?
Well, there's one hydraulic jab going to be attached on the girder, and then we can put a point load wherever we want on the dome. But at the minute we can only do 1 point load at a time.
Okay.
The concern was the load has to go down a bar, so you can place a steel bar from this beam down to 1.2 above ground level. It's quite a distance, so we have to figure out.
And what's the point in the bar? Sorry.
Bar is to get from the beam down to the dome itself.
Okay.
So the dome's going to be 1.2 high, around about 1.2 high.
Yeah.
And we have to load it from that beam down. So we try to figure out a way of getting the bar from that beam down to the top of the dome.
Right. Okay. To apply the load, is it?
To apply the load, yeah.
Oh, I see. And that's at the centre.
It's
It can be applied anywhere, but we may put it on various points on the dome.
Various points.
Do a couple of different
Okay.
places.
And at the very base, how is the dome going to be supported?
It's not that the cables are going to take on spread.
Okay. So there's a cable at the middle and the bottom, and they'll tie the whole thing together. Okay. Well, that's fair enough. Thanks.